Welcome to the R-Seal animated roof installation video. The first step is to apply non-skinning butyl sealant to the top of the eave strut and the rake angle. Attach the R-Seal eave channel to the eave strut using self-drilling flathead fasteners. Apply non-skinning butyl sealant to the eave channel and marry to the rake angle sealant. This creates the interior air and vapor seal. Apply non-skinning butyl sealant to the support steel at the panel end joint. Apply non-skinning butyl sealant to the interior ridge pan. Cut the rake panels in accordance with R-Seal shop drawings. Attach the panels to the structure using self-drilling through fasteners with 3-inch diameter fender washers. The installing contractor determines the amount and placement of fasteners based on the time between installation of the R-Seal panels and the cladding system, project specifications, and weather conditions. Install the next set of panels using the same process. Remove the backing tape from the side tape tabs as panels are installed. These tape tabs ensure continuity of the exterior weather seal. The process is repeated until the entire roof is sheeted. Cut the last panels on the roof so that they are even with the wall panels below. Remove the backing tape from the tape tabs on the interior side for all panels installed during the workday. These tabs ensure continuity of the air and vapor seals. Fill the gap at the ridge with expandable foam. This close-up shows where expandable foam is needed for single-slope roofs. The rake support should be provided by the metal building supplier and is through-fastened to the rake angle below. It provides support for the roofing system to be installed shortly. The eaves and rakes are now covered with an air-water membrane tape, providing a weather seal at these locations. Panel end joints are now sealed using air-water membrane tape. Finally, the ridge is sealed using the same material. The metal panel wall system is now installed per the manufacturer's instructions. The building is now ready for installation of the standing seam roof system, though other systems may also be used depending on project requirements. The rake support, eave plate, closures, and sealants are installed in preparation for the metal panels. The first panel is installed along with the required backup plates. The standing seam roof clips are installed with pressure plates as required by the roofing supplier. The remainder of the roof panels are installed and the roof is seamed per the supplier's recommendations. The ridge closures, sealants, ridge cap, and perimeter trim are now installed to complete the roofing system. R-Seal allows you to choose the metal panel roofing system of your choice, so you don't have to make compromises. Outstanding performance, robust detailing, simplified installation, and quick delivery make R-Seal an ideal choice for your pre-engineered building projects.